Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to send money internationally with Cash App. Many people think Cash App only works in the United States, but it actually allows transfers between the US and the United Kingdom. If you live in either of these countries, you can send and receive money across borders instantly. Here's how it works. When you open Cash App and tap on the payment screen, just enter the amount you want to send. Next, type in the recipient's cash tag, phone number, or email. Cash App will automatically detect if the recipient is based in the UK or the US and convert the currency for you. So if you're in the US sending dollars, the person in the UK will receive British pounds. And if you're in the UK sending pounds, the person in the US will receive dollars. There are no extra fees for international transfers, but exchange rates do apply. And Cash App shows you the conversion rate before you confirm the payment. That way, you know exactly how much the other person will receive. Keep in mind, Cash App international transfers only work between the US and the UK for now. You can't send money to other countries yet. Also, both you and the recipient need to have active Cash App accounts. So in short, sending money internationally with Cash App is as easy as a regular transfer. Just enter the amount, add the recipient, check the conversion, and confirm. It's fast, secure, and a simple way to move money between the US and UK. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.